A broker is the firm that helps you interact with the market. That is, you want to buy or sell a currency. Now, you cannot just go and buy and sell dollars. Where? You want to go to America and start buying and selling dollars? It's not possible. But a broker makes that possible. A broker is the middleman between you and the market. So what happens is you want to buy particular currency, you do that through the broker. The broker now helps you place your trades. They're just simply the middleman between you and the market, because you can't access the market. How you want to start going to Goldman Sachs to go and buy gold in America? That is not possible, right? Exactly my point. So there are different brokers, but you already know the broker I'm using, and I told the broker I'm going to use for this experiment, the best broker in the world. I won't say their name, but you already know them. Yes. So that's basically what a broker is. So don't let it confuse you. Don't let the grammar be too much. Okay, it's pretty simple. The broker helps you interact with the market. They help you buy or sell whatever currency or commodity that you want to. Hope that is pretty straightforward. Gracias.